Do we offer payment plans here at Property Revolution? That's a great question. Many people ask us what type of payment plans we have. We have 2 third-party partners that we can use for payment plans. On each of our quotes, when you go through the quote, there will be an option at the bottom that offers a payment plan. Right now, with higher interest rates and all the banking issues that have come up over the last year, the rates aren't as good as they used to be, but we are able to offer a set payment plan for those that qualify. So at the bottom of our quote, when you get a quote from us, it'll show you what those payments would look like. And then there's a link in there to apply for the plan with the third-party entity that facilitates that. And then we have another partner that we can use that's a little broader. They have more options, and you can see what you would qualify for if you go to our website. There's a tab called the Financing tab. You can click there and you can enter your information. Both of these services allow you to see if you would qualify with a soft pull, which means it's not a hard pull on your credit. So you can fill out your information. As long as you answer the questions honestly, you would get an estimate of what the plan would look like and if you would qualify for it before you have a pull done on your credit. Another option for financing is always your local bank or credit union. That's usually the most cost effective as far as interest rates go. But we do have 2 different options here at Property Revolution. Like I said, one would be on your quote and the other one is on our website at the Financing tab.